Target Trade's Power Trigger Trade.
Another great, powerful video here. When you grind with skill, you always win in the end. Another win in Tesla. Now, we didn't get the targets that we wanted, but we grind with skill. We grind with rules. And step by step, I post the plans. I give the power to the people to succeed. Not you, stock clowns, but me, the big picture leader. That being said, this is what I said on July the 12th. Tesla looks the best as the SPY is weak this morning. This gives us the best odds if power does come in. This is a new breakpoint to watch for. Tesla, the reason for this pre-market update was I needed to see the pre-market info in this case as well to make this plan. So this plan was posted before based on pre-market action, and then I put it inside the plan so we were ready before the market was to open. Again, all step by step with buy stops. Just simply place the buy step Power Trigger Trade tells you to do. Boom! Put money in your sacchetta, in your pocket. That means in Italian. Top clown! Alright then. So let's click into this chart here. Tesla set up the test 730 to 750, depending on the action price. Listen, we were looking for much bigger gains. However, the market, we got to follow rules. It's adaptive thinking. It's a grind with skill. Do you understand? You cannot win this market without high skill, good mindset, and following rules. And we do this year after year after year. Okay then. So, Tesla set up the test 7. Okay. So we went in the July 16, 690 calls is what we'll use. Tesla needs to break above 667 for us to enter in this. Well, that's exactly what it did, right? But it opened a little bit below that. You can see at the time, on the close of the 9th, okay, because this is a week, this is Friday chart, right? And on Monday we got into this. You see the 690 calls cost $475 per option. But that's not what we paid for, right? Because we had to pay for what? What? Confirmation, right? Okay then. So let's go and see what I said, how I managed this great win in Tesla. And also Google out. Stay tuned for the Google out video. Here it is. Tesla placing buy stops at 740 for the July 16, 690 calls for now. Tesla confirming with the July 16, 690 calls at 748. So that's what we paid. $748, $750. Right here, Tesla, the fill was 750. It was more like 748, and I got between 748 750. So $748 to $750 per option. And after they got filled, they hit 9. It just moved. You had to put the buy stops in. I'm going to show you the facts on the charts. It's the same. Listen to me. Study what I'm saying. I tell people to study my YouTube channel. Study my videos. Listen and grind with skill. It's all here. It's the same thing. I have massive skill, massive ability, but it is a grind with skill. I have massive talent in this. And it's all documented on my YouTube channel. But many people are just fearful. They don't take action. They don't follow the rules. Oh, you're not going to make any money. To the stock clowns. All right then. You're not good to me or yourself. Anyways. Okay, Tesla options are now at 1070 as Tesla hits 681. We're getting close to that 684 pivot. We might be able to take 100% gains today for our calls. So I'm also preparing us, right? We need to the calls. So basically what we did is we were looking for our calls to hit 15 to take profits. And guess what? Long story short, that's what it gave us, okay? Let me show you the facts, okay? But you had to be, listen, we were preparing. I said between 14 to 15. You're going to see that happened on July, the next day that happened. There was some things, but anyway, step by step, I give to my group. So let me go to the next point. on July the 12th, Tesla looks around 12:23. You see me giving the updates of time, 12:56, right? Press pause. You can read some of the notes in here, right? Okay. It's very well. Listen, I support my group. And all facts, mindset, powerful plans, grinding with skill year after year after year. Massive respect for those that are serious for success. Most people are clowns. Identify what you are. Identify your problem, mental problems. Study. Get inside my group. Grind with skill. All right then. So, long story short, you can see me talking about, we were strongly focused on Tesla. Look at the updates. So now comes July 13th. Tesla right now, it was trading very well pre-market, right? They are ready. They opened it a little bit positive. So let's go to that. So pre-market, I was talking about, we were already preparing to sell 50% of our options, okay? Now, this stretch of the year, we've had 4 Tesla trades, and out of 4, 3 were winners. Then we had 1 loser and 3 winners. Grind with skill. Always win. You always win in the end, but it's a grind with skill. Not 1 month, whole year. You got to take this as a serious business. If you really want to succeed, you got to grind with skill. And that's why I make these videos, to help those serious for success. Most people will lose. They are clowns. They do not have the mindset. They will never win long-term with options in the market. A great vehicle. I have skill up the wazoo. All right then. So this is what happened. So the SPY did some pullbacks, right? All right then. Tesla, good support. I gave the support to people. Of course, we held the support, right? Here it is. I just sold 9 in the 15 area for our options. We did hit 16 for our calls. Now holding 9 runners, okay? Between 15 and 16, there was 30 seconds. It was that quick, but we were prepared. That's why I said, as you had to put your orders. I have to get myself out of 3 accounts. You have to be prepared, right? And if you didn't, then we got stopped out on our runners, okay? We achieved 100% and then got stopped out at 7 on the runners. Long story short. All right, this is an options chart for Tesla, the July 16, 690 calls. So this is the day. See here on the 12th, this is the day it confirmed. The open of the options were $575 per option. The high was $12.80 and the close was $12.35. Okay, and so this is what happened. The next day, the open was $12.30. The high was 16. You see, look at the arrow, look in the box. It was quick. The high was 16, okay, on July the 13th. And then it went down. Of course, what happened, it didn't. And we got stopped out. We got stopped out at $700 per option on the runners. But we banked $1,500 per option on half of the position. A great win. Okay, things happen, but we grind with skill. A great winner. Long story short, a great winner. Again, look in the box. This shows the option details, how the options move. It's called an options chart. Today, as you can see, I mean, Tesla isn't doing as well, and those same options are 300. You got to be, listen to me, you got to be prepared. You got to be quick in the market. Sometimes holds are longer, sometimes they're shorter. It's a grind with skill. Welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. This is my Twitter. Okay. Over here, you can click a link. It takes you to my YouTube channel. You can see all the great videos and study. If you want to become a member inside my group of Power Group Trades, an opportunity of a lifetime for free, what you need to do though is study this pinned tweet. It says why and how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. I look forward to helping those serious for success, not clowns, only those people that are serious for success. That being said, keep studying, and I look forward to helping those serious for success. Don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe.